You wouldn't guess what time is it now, di ba ting? Feels like it's what? Evening? But it's only 3:30 in the afternoon. When this thing comes down, it's gonna be a brown dust. This is brown dust. You can taste it in your mouth. So it's gonna be heavy. Expect it to come down sometime today or tomorrow. This is very, very thick. Very thick dust from the Sahara desert. The brown dust finally came down the next day, but it wasn't as bad as I expected. Most of it drifted away before it had the chance to settle on us. Still, we needed to rinse it off right away. Once the sun bakes that dust into the surface, it becomes a lot harder to remove. Alright, this is Percel. Look at him. It's easier to pull it apart, but putting it together is
difficult.
Thing? Same difficult. The forecast says the temperature is about to drop, so we had to move fast before the cold wind and winter rain arrived. We rushed to put up our winter protection canvas. It's not the most exciting job, but we rely on it. Once the cold hits, that canvas becomes our shield, keeping the work areas nice and dry, and cutting the wind through the winter. And just like that, the winter arrived. Ice, lots of ice, guys. There was heavy cloud this morning, but this is it. It's down. Look, kita gipagititing oh. Manating, karon maglingkod-lingkod ta diri ting. Alright, our workshop is taking place now. This is gonna be our workshop for the winter. We're not going on the shipyard this time, which is looking forward to it, but this is our workbench. Looks nice. So we're putting just a light deck protection, you know, nothing heavy. Hopefully the guys doesn't drop anything heavy on her, otherwise we're gonna be in trouble. You want present? So it's today is the first time that it's actually quite cold. It's been raining quite a lot since this morning, and we had some serious downpour of rain and some ice, hail or something. What you call them?
Granitos.
Huh? Granitos?
Granitos.
Granitos. It's called granitos according to Percilito right now. So yeah, it's gonna be nice and cozy in here. All right, this is what we've been doing for the last few days, installing this Delrin shoes on our deck chairs. But the plan was why we're installing this because to make the chair more easily be dragged on the deck for the guest, but because the problem was it actually grabs the Sikaplex with it when you actually drag it. But the problem now, when we install this, it's actually a lot more harder to actually slide into the deck, because I think the reason is the footprint is slightly bigger now. If you can see this is what we've been doing here. So what I'm doing now, I'm actually altering it. I'm shaving off quite a lot to make this shoe a little smaller. So I will show you now what I've been doing, okay? So this is the profile now. This is the profile that I wanted. So we got a smaller footprint now. So all I have to do now is smoothen this thing up with the Finder sandpaper. So this is it. This is the final shape. If you look, nice and smooth. So, and then that's the final shape. And then compared to that one, so you can see the difference. So this is the one we just finished. So what I'm trying to say is, before, when you grab the chair like this and you drag it, like say backwards or sideways, it actually grabs the sika, and then it destroys the sika and it's like smudge it all over the deck. But because of this that we made, it's a lot smoother now. You see, you can slide it smoother, because when you look down, it's actually raised now, and then with a smaller footprint, you can see the chairs are all sorted, and before packing them away, just give them a nice fresh coat of teak oil. Just another small task done, but it all adds up. Thanks for sticking around. Life on board is made of days like this, and see you on the next update.